Well, you guys, I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Thanks for tuning in to another full self-driving 11.4.4 aerial perspective video. I'm going to take you on another smooth drive. If you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm.
How may he help you?
I swear, every time I say that, I feel like Bob Barker on The Price is Right.
I still like, how may he help you?
Well, I think Les will get that comment.
I don't know. How many of you out there know that show? Ruth White Feather Feltman. How may I help you?
A Kathy Bates show called Disjointed
You're
on
not
Netflix.
supposed to give the answer.
Well, the funny thing would be if anyone actually knew it. Though.
That was my point. Was comment in the video if you knew.
Does anyone actually watch Disjointed? Comment in the section down below. I feel like it was a funny show.
It was before its time though, sadly.
Sadly, yes.
All right, you got all these, right?
Yeah.
And then remember, we gotta go under the underpass.
Yep, no worries.
Okay. All right. So for 0 for 2. Woo!
Hey, it worked.
It did. Need a little left tap, but not bad.
I'll take that.
Mr. Mustang, you can pass me as fast as you want.
Right. I'm out for chill driving today, thank you.
I, too, use my turn lane and slow down at a green light.
She says sarcastically.
All right, you going up?
Yep. Up over the bridge.
And then you got the big ones coming up.
I see you.
The big ones.
Back down to meet lightning. There we go.
All right, here we go. Go up.
I see. Nice tall transmission lines to go up and over.
And then you got one more.
There we go. Now we have those. Back to our regularly scheduled flight.
I think the one thing that FSD does me, if I'm honest, is it makes me, like, I mean, I'm very aware. Like, I'm still very in control of the car. I could take over at any moment's notice if I need to, right?
But it allows you to be a little bit more attentive to everything else.
Correct.
Yeah.
Like, I don't freak out. I don't check my mirror as much as far as, like, who's right behind me, who's next to me, who's this. Like, I use the AI to look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it AI or UI?
AI.
Okay.
Yeah, artificial intelligence.
I just didn't know if it was considered a UI because it was the user interface.
No user interface. Well, no, it's showing you there on what we would call the GUI, or graphical user interface.
I feel like you guys just make up names. The thingy-majig.
Oh, the flux capacitor and things like that. But that's more in movies and that kind of stuff.
This left turn always makes me nervous. Not because of anything the car does. This just is an interesting intersection.
Busy intersection.
But still sparsely populated.
Oh, absolutely. Our whole town is sparsely populated.
This is the busiest it gets.
Oh, we got a bicyclist behind us. Is that what that is?
He's in my blind spot. I can't see him.
Oh, he is a bicyclist. The car's not picking him up. That's funny.
Well, I guess you'd have to. There's not really an
Oh yeah, there's no like
sidewalks
anymore. Whereas they've been adding the
Yeah.
and the bike lane kind of disappeared in this area while they're doing the construction. So yeah, that makes sense. 47, by the way.
Okay. Let me know if you need me to pull over soon. We
No
can pull
worries.
over at the church if you want.
I think I'm okay.
Church would be a good spot to pull over.
I think I'm okay.
The church right here on this intersection. Hey, I'm okay with that. Where'd Bicycle Man go? Excited to see that on video of where Bicycle Man went. Do you want me to pull over the church?
No, I'm fine. 45.
Okay.
I was just telling you.
I can't believe how big that church has gotten over
I
there.
know. Question is, was it always that big, or have they added on over the
So my
years?
parents went there. They took me there when I was like high school, and they've added onto it over the years.
Gotcha.
It was always kind of big, but it was never that big when I went there.
Seems like a bad place to jaywalk.
Concur. I will have to manually pull this into.
No problem. The parking lot. Well, thanks again, you guys, for tuning in. And please, if you are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I'm Gray Shutdown alongside Dog Odd Sci-Fi.
And spay and neuter your pets.
As Barb Barker would say.
As I genuinely believe, spay and neuter your pets, people. They don't end up in the pound. I'm gonna start doing my fun fact of the day on your videos.
I don't know, I gotta figure out what Mr. Rogers' saying always was.
Alright.
Howdy, neighbor.
I'm just trying to find a spot for him.